Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pan-fry momos. First, let's prepare the dough. Combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 1/2 teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. Gradually add about 3/4 cup of water, mixing until a firm dough forms. Knead this dough for a full 10 minutes to develop its elasticity. Then, cover it with a damp cloth and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This resting period is crucial for a tender momo wrapper. Next, let's create the delicious filling. Finely chop 1 cup of cabbage, 1/2 cup of carrots, and 1/4 cup of onions. In a bowl, combine these vegetables with 1 pound of ground chicken or pork. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce for depth. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper and a pinch of salt to taste. Mix everything thoroughly to ensure all flavors are well distributed. Now comes the fun part, shaping the momos. Take small portions of the rested dough and roll them into thin, approximately 3-inch diameter circles. Place about 1 tablespoon of your prepared filling in the center of each circle. Carefully fold and pleat the edges to seal the momo, creating its classic shape. Once shaped, steam these momos for 8 to 10 minutes until they are fully cooked and tender. Finally, let's achieve that perfect pan-fried crispiness. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Arrange your steamed momos in a single layer, cooking for about 2 minutes until their bottoms are golden brown. Then, carefully add 1/4 cup of water to the pan, cover it, and let them steam for another 5 minutes. Serve these delicious, crispy-bottomed momos immediately with your favorite dipping sauce. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.